Oh, what brings you in today? Not grinders, surely.
I don't know.
Did you forget?
There was no customer, so I thought I'd come in here. Oh, that's right. We got Jeffy's car.
The Jeffy car.
Jeffy's car. We've got at least 2 of the build videos up. There might be 3. I'm not sure. I can't remember how many I did. I think I've done 3.
I'd say it'd probably be a 3-episode build.
I think it's a 3-episode build, and it's pretty much ready to go now, apart from electronics. And it was good for me to build a 2.0 because I've got the 1.0,
yep,
which is a fine car. And obviously, a lot of this is exactly the same.
Yes, it's got the plastic.
The
tub.
whole.
That's different.
Yeah, but it's got a plastic tub. Mine's got a fiberglass plate chassis.
Top plates?
The motor mount and the upper plates are different.
But pretty much everything else is the same.
Everything
Same
else
bulkheads, arms. Yeah. They did revise the shocks on these ones.
Yeah.
So they got the.
This has got the lower
shocks. Yep.
Mine has got the lower shock kit on it.
Yeah.
So and I've got sway bars. We don't have sway bars for this yet.
No, that's a bit of a sore point.
Yes, yes.
Because everybody who buys one wants sway bars, and
we don't have sway bars.
Yokomo doesn't have sway bars to send us, unfortunately.
No, but nice jigger this thing.
Jigger.
Yeah. I just thought I'd throw that old word in.
You did really good.
This was a nice one to build. I like it. Big fan. Jeffrey will get this eventually.
While we're talking Yokomo Beach, could you have a quick finger about over there on the computer?
What's that?
And bring up the link
bring up
from our website for the Works 91.
Yeah, I can place it in here.
Post it in the comments or even a photo, because Yokomo did announce that just yesterday. They sent all the dealers and distributors out via email to say the Works 91 is coming. And it was a very popular car.
It was massive. It's
massively popular.
Were you racing back then? I don't think so.
93. So it Works 93.
Yeah, because certainly I remember when that came out, it was the weapon to have.
It was a game changer, wasn't it?
Yeah. Obviously, Reese Birtles was running one. I remember Kevin Seckold running in stock class was just winning everything. And basically everyone had a Works 91. It was...